Hey guys, it's Ijara. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for this video because I'm always excited for my videos, but this one in particular because the tips I'm about to share have literally been life-changing, and I don't want to be that person that's gonna be like life-changing like I did in my last video, but I am sharing things that have really impacted me in my life, and that's why I'm like life-changing, you know. Like, I've always been into fashion, right? Like, I'll literally skip class just to go shopping. I just ended up with so many clothes, so much so that in France I had like a whole other room dedicated to like my closet, right? And I never had anything to wear. And I feel like a lot of people can relate to this, just having so many clothes and nothing to wear. And then I started to embark on a minimalism journey, and I even talked about it on my channel. I read Marie Kondo's book before it was even a trend on Netflix. One thing I noticed about minimalism is that less is more, and also the importance of having basics, you guys. Like, the reason why I had nothing to wear is because I kept buying trendy pieces. Trends are cool, but trends are meant to die, and that's what keeps the fashion industry going. They're constantly killing trends to create new trends to make us buy. In this video, I wanted to share what I feel are pieces that are timeless, basic fall pieces, which means that they don't go out of style. So no matter what year it is, no matter what trend is going on, these pieces will always look good, you'll always look classy, you'll always look put together with these pieces. So it's definitely a huge way to save money by not buying into trend and still look fashionable, because we do want to still look good. It's also going to give you so many more outfits. You can mix and match them so much that with a small amount of basics, you can have so many more outfits than if you had a huge amount of trendy pieces, you know? Get into getting basics, people, please. It'll change your life. I'm not even kidding, it's life-changing. I don't know why basic has become such a bad word, like basic B. Do you know how important basics are to society, to life, to your wardrobe? Let's actually get into the video because I'm talking way too much. So first thing I'm going to talk about is colors, basic colors. I do feel that there are trendy colors and there are colors that will never go out of trend. Like, you can never wear white and people are gonna be like, ew. So it's colors like white, black, obviously, gray. You've got beige as well, and navy blue or khaki green. They're just so beautiful. What's great about those colors is that they go great with each other. I don't see what those colors cannot be paired with. When I'm shopping, I'm always looking out for those colors, especially when I'm buying expensive pieces or big pieces. I want to be able to wear that expensive piece as much as possible, and to do so, it has to go with as many of my pieces as possible. Okay, now let's go on to tops. If you don't have a black turtleneck in your closet, ladies, you are missing out on so many nice outfits. You can wear it with sweatpants, you can wear it with skirts, you can wear it with classy dressy pants, you can layer it with almost anything, a jacket, a coat, a blazer. Out of all the clothing I have, the black turtleneck has to be the one I wear the most. If you feel like you don't have a long neck, maybe get a high-rise neck like this one and not a full-on turtleneck. If I do get a full-on turtleneck, I usually fold it inward so it's this length, or I fold it like a few times down. But I never wear it all the way up because it just makes my neck look shorter. I think a white colored shirt is such a great layering piece. It's another piece that looks so freaking classy and put together. It goes with anything. You can wear it in so many different ways. You can wear it open, you can wear it closed, you can tie it up, you can wear it under your sweater, you can wear it under sweater vest, which is actually a trend right now. The sweater vests are back. Yeah, the white collar shirt is definitely a key piece to have in your closet. It's definitely sweater season, and it's gonna stay sweater season till next year, March or May. I don't know. Sweaters are definitely a piece to focus on. The reason why I'll prioritize getting a sweater in each basic color is because I feel like the sweater is the central piece of a fall outfit as well as a winter outfit. It just makes layering so much easier when you have those basic sweater colors. For example, I have a black hoodie. The gray sweatshirt is a classic piece. And then for beige, I would say to get a beige classic sweater. You've already got 3 basic colors in 3 basic styles as well. Because we're all different, we like different styles. So like, I love like sweatshirts and hoodies, but if you're more of a classic person, you can definitely have the classic sweaters and, you know, the basic colors. Going to basics is gonna make your life so much easier. It's gonna make picking an outfit so much easier. Oh my god, like, okay, moving on from sweaters. So when it comes to bottoms, I'd say the same thing, to prioritize the colors, to first have a bottom in every basic color. And when it comes to pants, personally, I think, for example, the gray sweatpants, black faux leather pants are so freaking stylish. Beige smart pants are always like a timeless piece as well. And for like navy blue, you can have jeans. As you can see, for each color, I pick my favorite style. Next are shoes. So a black pair of boots and white sneakers. If you have those two pieces, you'll always have shoes to wear. An all white sneaker can go with anything and it still looks put together. You can still look so classy with white sneakers on. I've had Stan Smiths for the longest time and I wanted to switch it up with the Nike Air Force Ones. As long as they're all white, you're good to go. And then you've got the black boots. Black boots, first of all, black goes with everything as well, and I feel like it's more dressy. So for example, if you're at a job where they don't want you to wear sneakers, you can definitely wear the black boots. The most versatile ones would be the ankle boots. So you can get the type you like based on your style. You can get all the styles if you want, if it's in your budget. So when it comes to outerwear, so you need it to go with practically all your outfits. And the best way to do that is to get outerwear in the basic colors because they go with everything. The outerwear pieces I would say to get would be a trench coat, and the classic trench coat color would be beige. It's a beige trench coat, like that's the most typical fall piece you can have. And then I would say coats, like, you know, classic long coats. I would say black. A black classic long coat is it's just so nice. A black leather jacket is also a great piece. You can take any summer dress, throw a black leather jacket over it, and you've got like a fall look. So it's a great transitional piece. So those are the outerwear pieces I would prioritize. Accessories is definitely where you can have fun to add color to your look, because you've got all these basics in clothing. You can definitely break that monotoned look with color. I feel like lipstick is a great way to add color to your look as well, and red lipstick is definitely my favorite fall lip color. And the thing about red lips is that it looks so good with every single one of these basic colors. Red lips and gray, like right now, I love it. Red lips and black, oh my god. Red lips and beige, red lips and white. Another thing I noticed here in America that's not very common, but that's quite common in France, is hats. I feel like nobody wears a classic hat here. Like, why? I feel like it's making a statement to wear a hat, but I would definitely say it's a key piece to a fall outfit, like a black classic hat like this one that I have here. Look, my whole outfit is everything I just said in this video. By no means in this video am I saying to not buy anything other than basics, but I am saying to prioritize basics. I buy color too. I have a freaking pink coat. I have a bright green cropped puffer jacket. You can't get more trendy than that. My black turtleneck, black skinny jeans, biker boots, and that freaking neon jacket. Are you kidding me? That was a look. It looks so freaking good. So obviously I bought it. But you see, it's because I had those basics that I could buy that neon jacket, you know? If you feel like you don't have a lot to wear in your closet, or you have a hard time making outfits, it's usually because you don't have enough basics to pull the outfits together. So that's what this video is about. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it was useful. So comment down below what your shopping style is. Are you more attracted to colors? Are you really into basics like I am? Honestly, when I see gray or beige or black or white, my heart does something. Okay guys, hope you found this information useful. If you did, leave me a thumbs up so I know that you guys enjoy videos like this and I can make more. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to know when I post, if you guys want to see more videos from me. Thanks so much for watching guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!